Here you go, son. Here's your $10.
Thank you, Dad. I have enough money to buy a new Apple Watch. Can we go get it?
Sure, son. Where can you buy an Apple Watch?
Can we go to the Apple Store?
Sure, Mike. I just need to look up where our closest Apple Store is. Store.
What's the matter, Dad?
Where else do they sell Apple Watches? Our nearest Apple Store is quite a ways away.
I don't know, but why can't Apple stores be as convenient as Walmart?
Maybe the iTunes fanboy can explain it. Let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome back to the iTunes fanboy. As you saw from my skit, there is a serious issue with the lack of Apple stores. However, some of you watching this video are probably thinking that there are too many Apple stores. However, that is likely because you live in a metropolitan area where Apple stores are abundant. However, if you don't live in a big city like a lot of the world, then an Apple store is not easily accessible. Whilst that isn't an issue for everyone, it's still an issue for many people like myself. Many of you watching this video probably think I'm stupid for making this video because Apple is a technology company, so it makes sense for them to center their business online. As fair as that is, many people still need assistance with their technology and would rather have it from a Genius Bar employee at an Apple store. For example, many people are transitioning away from Android and Windows to iOS and macOS, but still want lessons on how to use Apple products, particularly if they are older. Almost everyone has to get their devices repaired at one time or another. It would be more convenient for people to simply drop their expensive Apple products off at an in-person retailer, rather than shipping an expensive product through the mail that could get lost or stolen. Many people also like going to an Apple store to purchase new devices. However, how hassle-free is it really for people to go to an Apple store despite their business model? Because in my case, my nearest Apple store is an hour away from me, in which I have to drive heavy traffic into a big city. This is the case for a lot of people, though many people have to drive even longer just to get to an Apple store. How easy is that for people despite Apple's business model being about simplicity? Not really, is it? In fact, I've intentionally avoided the Apple Store every time I've made a recent tech purchase or repair. I bought my main iPad, being my iPad Air 5th generation, at Best Buy, my main phone being my iPhone 14 Pro at an AT&T store, my main Apple Watch, my Apple Watch Series 7 on Amazon, and my main computer being my M3 Pro MacBook Pro on Apple's website. When I had to replace the case on my main AirPods, being AirPods Pro 2nd generation, which I got for Christmas, I had Apple ship the cases to me because I did not want to go to my local Apple retailer. And the clear solution to the lack of Apple stores is for them to make Apple stores as common as Walmart stores. But does the limited placement of Apple stores aggravate you? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I am the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.